Forgotten username recovery failed on National Bank Direct Brokerage fix. If you've forgotten your National Bank Direct Brokerage username, don't worry. Most people think it's complicated, but there is a simple process to recover it safely. Step 1. Visit the login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. You should receive a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, collect verification details like your full name, account number, and recent account activity. National Bank Direct Brokerage support can use these to confirm your identity and recover your username manually. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam and junk. Follow instructions carefully and avoid sending multiple recovery requests simultaneously, which can cause delays. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact National Bank Direct Brokerage support directly. Provide your verification information and explain that previous recovery attempts didn't work. Their team will guide you securely to regain account access. Once your username is recovered, enable two-factor authentication and use a secure password manager to store your credentials. This helps prevent future login issues and keeps your investment safe. By following these steps, you can regain access to National Bank Direct Brokerage efficiently and continue trading, monitor your portfolio, and staying on top of the markets. Forgetting your username is just a temporary hurdle that can be resolved quickly.